Hi Liz, it's Tina here, and I thought I would just show you a little video how to change the get instant access button or the writing here into a nice snazzy button for you. And also you can make some nice text here as well. Otherwise the page is looking really good and it works. I downloaded it and I was taken to the download page where you can get the report, so that's all good. So what you need to do is come over into your dashboard. Now, the first thing that I've noticed that you need to do is when you get these little orange buttons with numbers here, these are updates that you need to act on to make sure that your site stays safe and all the rest of it. So I'm just going to come over to updates first of all. So I've logged into your WordPress, by the way, just to show you how to do this. And you automatically go onto the WordPress updates page and you click on it says update to WordPress 3.9 automatically, so you might just as well update automatically. Always keep your updates up to date, stops hackers and all that kind of stuff getting in, and it'll just do its stuff. There you go, and it just takes you to the new page telling you what's new and everything. And the next thing, come over to your plugins, install plugins, and again there is a new version of Akismet available, so click on update now. There you go, and click on activate. It's already activated. You need to go and get your key. I'll show you how to do that in another video, but at least it's all up to date now, so that'll just stop you getting spam comments. Right, okay, so what you need to do to change that button is come over to your pages and come over to your opt-in page and click on edit. Okay, now what you need to do is, this is a squeeze page, so you need to come down and look at your squeeze page options, and what you want is your opt-in form options. So you just click on that one, and what you've got here is basically you've got customization. And in this section here, you've got customization, and you can click on, for example, you can choose the different arrows. You've just kept with the standard red arrow at the moment, but you can change the arrows. Okay. You can also put in, this is where you put your opt-in box headline options. So for example, you can type in here opt-in box headline, download your report here. And then what you can also do is you can change the text. You can also put opt-in box text, so you can put here or discover how to build your credibility and confidence. And also you can put some spam notice text in. I usually put in a standard, we respect your privacy and won't pass your information on to anybody else. Okay, now next thing you need to do is click on the autoresponder code, which you've already done. You've put your code in, but this is where you put the fancy button in. So it says select squeeze page button. So you just click on this one here, this select image, and you get the fancy buttons. So depending on what color you want, you can have like yellow or red or orange, whatever. So let's go for the orange. Is usually a pretty good one, so you can click download now, and then use selected image. Okay, so where you're at then to do all of this is in your squeeze page options, and then your opt-in squeeze form options. And where you put the text and the headlines is in customization, and where you get the button is under your autoresponder code. Okay, and that's it. So what you've got to do now is to click on update. And now when we go and refresh the page, you've now got a heading, and you can go in and change these, and you've now got a fancy button, so it all looks a little bit more juicy than it was before. Now, one last thing, I noticed that HostGator must have started to put their little favicon, which is this little picture up here, and you can change that and have one of your own. So I'll show you where to go and do that as well. So now obviously I can only add one of my pictures, so you'll have to go and change this. But where you do that is you go into Optimize Press and go into General Settings, and scroll down, and you've got what we call a favicon URL. So you just click on upload an image there. Just go into your pictures. I'm just going to try and pick a bog standard picture. I'll just pick that gold star one for now. Okay, so that goes up there. And then you scroll down to the bottom and click Save Changes. And then now when you come over to your page and you refresh it, you should get a little star at the top here instead of the HostGator. There you go. So you might want to put your own picture, your own URL. For example, you can see over here, somebody's got their picture. It's very small. I've got my logo here. Lots of other people use their logo. HostGator obviously use their logo. You won't be able to change it on your dashboard or anything, but let's do it on, refresh this one. See, it's come up there as well. So if you do it in your general settings, your logo will come up on all of your pages, but they won't come up on the dashboard. So just to show you where that is again, you go into Optimize Press, click, make sure general settings is selected, scroll down to Favicon, delete that and upload your own image, save the changes, and you'll have your logo up at the top of your pages. Cool, hope that's useful, and I look forward to seeing you soon.